I believe that the show did a good job at not sanitizing the actual truth of how this works. And you will see all of those be touched upon. I think there was even heightism, like you have to be taller than 5'3". And in my head, I was thinking, oh no, I'm only 5'3". I barely made the cut. And what if I was 5'2"? Then would I be undesirable, for another reason to see my auntie? I think that this is also part of the generations and the way that we look at these topics. Sima Auntie comes from a different background than me. She comes from a different traditional mentality that's not in line with my progressive mentality. And that's a big part of this show too. It's about us having a relationship with this matchmaker. I'm not only dating the men that she's setting me up with, I'm dating her in a way. I believed at that time that if I was clear enough, if I could speak my mind enough, if I could give her enough examples, if I could really explain to her what I wanted, that she would be like, oh, I understand. And what you see is that there's no understanding and there's no comprehension of my needs or my wants. And yet I keep trying. So everyone's like, oh, I love how you grew in the show. And I'm like, what you saw was me just giving up on her altogether and being like, hey, I'm here for the experience. Like, you're obviously going to send me random boys that have nothing to do with what I asked for. So bring them on. Let's have fun. Let's do go yoga. Let's do some great conversations. And in that note, I've made 3 great friends. And I think that's very important too, to realize that like we are teaching our young women, and I was the exact same way. I was no different. In my 20s, I would go on a date, and halfway through the day, I would think, I need to laugh more at his jokes. I need to smile more. Or I would get dressed for my date, and I would say, what can I wear that he as a man will like? What? Why are we teaching our women this? And we're teaching them this by the age of 10 or 12. Be likable to everybody.